Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. Today I'm going to show you how to install a DWB 113007. It's a rear liftgate seal for full-size GM SUVs 2007 and 2014. Check our website for complete make, model year information. Today we're going to be installing it on this 2007 GMC Yukon. Tools you'll need are clip removal tool, cutters. Let's get started. First thing you'll need to do is remove this inner trim panel. We're going to take our clip removal tool, come from the back side, gently pry up by the tabs. Make sure you get all of the tabs and work this loose. And simply pull up and put it out of the way. Now we can go ahead and remove the old seal here. Gently pull up on it. Now we're ready to install the new seal. We're going to go ahead and put the seam right by the latch, just like the OEM. Simply push it on the pinch weld and push it down and fully seat it. Start working your way around the perimeter of the opening. Now it's important to note when you get to the side section here to make sure that flap is pulled over onto the plastic trim just like the original was. Keep working your way around, making sure that you fully press on the seal all the way onto the flange. You'll notice it's too long. That is by design. So we're going to go ahead and cut the excess off, leaving about a ½ inch to allow for shrinkage. Cut the foam part first, and turn it and cut the metal channel. This will allow for a nice clean cut. Now it's out of the way, we're going to pull up both sides and stick the finger into the other hole and push it down on the center, get it seated, and then we're going to work our way to the corners. Go back and make sure it's fully seated onto the flange. Now we just need to go and put the trim panel back on. Lay it on there gently, make sure the clips line up to the holes, double check everything, and gently start pressing on it to get the clips to seat back into the hole. It should line up on the seal just like the OEM. We have all the trim back installed, and I'm going to make sure the door closes correctly. And you're done.